Students like to learn within their learning styles. So within the classrooms, we as educators, we always come up with so many different ways for students to take in the information. But what about when it's time for students to demonstrate their knowledge of the information that they've taken in? So what do you do then for those learning styles? So one of the instructional tools that I chose, or that's covered in our gifted learning course, would be task rotation. So I'm going to show you in a short clip of my task rotation within my classroom. Here is a quick example of the task that I've created based on learning styles, and you will see the students choose their task that they will create on their own to demonstrate their knowledge of the current standard, which will show the students being able to apply the different operations to translate and simplify algebraic expressions. Okay, so for today's class, we're going to take in your groups of 3 or in your groups of 4, each group a sheet of white paper. You already have on your desk that either say compute, justify, create. So based on your learning style, one of the tasks in this rotation to complete that I give you guys, you as a group will discuss, and then we will make sure that you have your presentations together. So 20 minutes to solve your task from the card. Go ahead and get started.
Can the length be negative?
Can length be negative?
No.
Okay then.
There's your answer. Then it would just. What you mean about expand? Like just
make it bigger, like how she said it.
Talk to your partner about it. Explain it to him, Chris.
way to ruin it for me. How can you ruin it? I was trying to figure it out on my own. So yes, and then
So if you're expanding something, what operation would that be? What mathematical operation would that be to make it larger? Right. So what operation is distributive? Right.
can't add y.
Oh, I didn't know that was a 21. I thought it was a 12. Yeah, but I mean, turn your head. I can look that up.
Wow, I just figured that out in less than half a second. 3 times would be a 3 times.
But that's not going to be fun. That would be negative 3x. Given the areas in each section, what expressions can be used to represent the length in which with width of each rectangle below? If you think about it as very
Oh, you taping it on the back.